Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to create a daily routine, a daily schedule, how to organize your life to actually achieve your goals. So be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, you guys. Don't forget to grab your cup of joe and join me for how to make a daily routine and a daily schedule. Alright, so how to make a daily routine schedule to actually achieve your goals can sometimes be the most daunting part of the entire process, how to actually get organized. So I want to share with you guys how I get organized and just my tips and tricks on like how to kind of get your life in order and in routine. So I personally recommend getting some kind of planner, day schedule, whatever it is for you. I found this super cute one. It's got a super cute quote from Coco Chanel on it. It says, "A girl should be two things, who and what she wants." So I got this planner and it's like the entire 2019 and it has like tabs that break down like each little like month. And the cutest thing about this planner is that it's got like goals at the beginning of the month. So for the beginning of August, it's got August goals, August to-dos, and then it's got August reminders, August birthdays. It's kind of looks like this. So like little goals. So I have a bunch of different things. Like basically it helps me plan out the entire month of like, what do I actually want to achieve for the month? So I write down my goals of like things that I want to complete. So like some examples is I want to blog weekly on my website because I just launched my website. If you guys didn't see that on my Instagram, check that out on my Instagram, linked here, and I will link my website down below for you guys to see that. So I do that, and then I have like the monthly spread. So it's got like cute little stickers you can see. So I put stickers on them for like when I'm going on vacation, girls' night out. And then it helps me stay organized for like all of the things I have going on. So like different like meetings or going to the gym, stuff like that. So like I feel like putting it all on paper is good. I don't carry my planner around with me all day because I just don't find that I use it. I try to plan like every few days. I'll sit down and like fill it in and put down like what I'm actually doing if I've made new plans like that week. So that's kind of the gist of like a planner. You can find a planner, like mine's from Marshall's, but you can find them at Winners, you can find them Chapters, Walmart, Dollar Store. Like there's so many planners. I just love really cutie girly ones, and I love Coco Chanel. So when I found this, I was like, it's meant to be. But that's kind of like the nitty gritty of like writing shit down. But the biggest thing about making a plan for your day and a routine for your life is to really define what you need to achieve in a day. So writing down, so like grab a notepad, literally a pen, and just like jot down what you need to actually achieve in the day. So everyone's day looks a little bit different. So it really depends if you work a full-time job, if you work a part-time job, if you have kids. All of those things kind of change the variety of your day and what it will actually look like. But let's speak to more so planning out goals and setting goals. So like if you have a goal in mind, say like you want to work on your photography business, for example, we use that as our example for today. So photography business. So determining that you want to spend time working on that every day to achieve some kind of big goal that you have around building your business for photography, say. Well, what I recommend for everybody, so say you work 9 to 5, let's just use that as an example. 9 to 5 is your start time. So you have to be at work for 9. So say you're getting up, say 6:30, because you gotta shower and get ready. So if, say, working out is a goal of yours as well, wanting to take care of your health and your fitness, maybe the best time is the morning time to work out. So maybe you're gonna slot in a workout right when you get up, and then you're gonna shower, and then you're gonna eat. So maybe that's your routine. And then you're gonna get the kids up, you're gonna get them off to school, and then you're gonna go to work and work your 9 to 5. And then when you're done your 9 to 5, you're gonna leave work, you're gonna come home, pick up the kids, maybe if you have kids, make dinner, clean up the kitchen, and then when you're done that in the evening, you can take some time to work on your business, on your photography business. So taking an hour, say an hour after you've done all the dishes, put all the, clean the kitchen, yada, 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 maybe you want to set aside that time for your business. It doesn't have to be every day. It can be 3 times a week, 2 times a week, whatever works for your schedule. Because I know that it's hard to, get up, go to work all day, and then come home, cook dinner, eat dinner, clean the kitchen, and then the last thing you want to do is work on more stuff. But the biggest thing about that stuff is it's fine to take those days where you're like, I just want to watch TV or watch a show or decompress. That's fine to do as well. But if you have a goal in mind and you're passionate about that goal and you want to achieve that goal, you have to set time aside, because it's easy to just come home, do all of that, and then just be like, well, I'll just get to the goal whenever I feel like it. And I'm victim for that too, or I'm just like, I'm tired from the day. I don't want to commit to doing more stuff. But unfortunately, you have to. If you want to achieve something, you have to pick away at it in bite-sized little bits. So when you're done all of the cleaning, the dinner, etc., spend half an hour maybe doing that thing that you love. Just putting some time, even just start with half an hour in little small increments and just working on some editing or working on taking photos or whatever it is, just finding that little bit of time to plug away into that business or into that goal. And then when you're done that part of the evening, the goal and like the project work, I highly recommend taking some time for self-care. So like having a nice bubble bath at the end of the day, or a warm shower, or sitting and doing some yoga or meditating, maybe going for a walk around like the pond near your house. Just finding something that gives you some self-care time, because goals and working on something that you're working towards, that's not self-care time. That is business and that is work. And your brain is on and firing for that. And your brain is not in you, it's in something else. So self-care is very separate from those goals. So finding that space for that self-care where you can actually take time for you and yourself to breathe, to decompress, to relax, so important. So make sure you're taking that time at the end of the day. And then when you're done your self-care, I always recommend doing it before bedtime, and then get in bed, have a good night's sleep, and start the day over again. So maybe each day will change, and that is totally fine. Your goals are never going to stay consistent, and life gets busy and things come up and there's appointments and yada, yada, yada. So there's some days where like I don't work on any business and I don't do anything but like gym, work, sleep, appointments. That's it. Like you just don't do anything else, and that's okay. So be kind to yourself, but just try to make some kind of plan. So say starting out, easy step starting out would be like, say Tuesdays and Thursdays you're going to work on your goal. And then if that works for you, you can stay in a consistent routine of planning the week out like that. So plan your week to be like, okay, Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm going to work on this. And then if you have more time throughout the week and you actually are enjoying and getting excited about what you're working on, you can expand that to like Wednesdays and Fridays as well, or just do that and then do the weekend days. Finding whatever works for your routine. Everyone's routine is so different, but the biggest thing about finding a routine and a schedule is making one. So setting out that entire week. So take your planner, grab that planner, and set out every week what days you're going to actually do those things. Because if you don't write it down and you don't put it in paper and you don't plan for it, the planning part, it's actually super easy. You just open this week and you go Tuesday and Thursday. I'm spending an hour doing this. And if it doesn't happen and something comes up, or you're tired or you have a headache or whatever, that's okay. It's just about the intention of making a plan to actually achieve a goal and to work towards a goal. That's what's important. So setting a plan and putting that in place and just working around your schedule and being okay with just setting some time aside for whatever that goal is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.